Welcome to our video for tips for success with AAS. Tip number 1. Request your accommodations early. The earlier you request your accommodations, the quicker the turnaround time from our office will be in facilitating those requests. Once requested, this will inform your professor of their responsibility in the accommodation process. For additional information, check out our YouTube channel for instructional videos on how to request your term accommodations. Tip number 2. Submit any updated medical documentation for our review. If you have any updated documentation since your last meeting with our office, upload the documentation to your online profile or connect with our administrative team at access@uwaterloo.ca. This updated documentation will provide us with additional information to better design your accommodation plan to meet your unique learning needs. Tip number 3. Connect with our office if you need to discuss your accommodations. If you are unsure who to connect with regarding your current accommodation plan, or if you are struggling with your academics as a result of your disability or condition, connect with our office at access@uwaterloo.ca to schedule a meeting with an accommodation consultant. Tip number 4. Review our online learning content on our Learn and YouTube channel. We have a large inventory of online resources, handouts, and videos to support your academics, from time management, note-taking, study skill strategies, assistive technology options, and many more. There's something for everyone, and you can choose what to review. For updated information, self-register for our Learn course and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tip number 5. Register for our upcoming workshops. Each term, Accessibility Services hosts several workshops ranging from different learning strategy concepts to popular assistive technology options to build your learning skills. Check out our Learn course for a list of workshops and links to the registration forms on Go Sign Me Up. Tip number 6. Connect with our drop-in center staff. Did you know Accessibility Services offers a daily drop-in service Monday to Friday from 1 to 3 p.m. where you can connect with an Accessibility Services staff member and ask any questions that you may have? Our staff are also here to support you with basic learning strategy concepts, support with navigating our online system, introducing you to different technology options available, and so much more. Feel free to drop in anytime. No appointment is required. Tip number 7. Review the Student Academic Accommodation Guidelines on our website. The Student Academic Accommodation Guidelines will help you better understand your role and responsibility in the accommodation process. You can find the link on our homepage on our website. Tip number 8. Request a volunteer peer mentor. Are you a first-year student or new to Accessibility Services? Request a volunteer peer mentor to help navigate university life as a student with a disability. Our mentors are also registered with Accessibility Services and can support your understanding of the accommodation process. They can help you navigate the supports available both within Accessibility Services and across campus. Tip number 9. Get to know your network of support. Find out who you can reach out to on campus for support. Depending on your needs, you may need to speak to an academic advisor, your professor, teaching assistants, or other campus resources. All of us here at Waterloo are here to collectively support your success as a student. And the more you know about what is available, the greater support you will have. When in doubt, reach out. Tip number 10. Get involved. Check out campus events, workshops, volunteer opportunities, clubs, academic groups, leadership opportunities, and more. Thank you for watching this video on Tips for Success with AAS.